See this. Differentiate x plus 1 by x with respect to x. I can take this one. D by dx of x plus 1 by x. So derivative of x is 1. Derivative of 1 by x minus 1 by x square. Minus 1 by x square. We can stop with this. Now coming to this one. Differentiate cos inverse of sin x with respect to x. It's a very simple problem. You take this one, I can write d by dx of cos inverse of sin x means I can write cos 90 minus x. Cos 90 minus x sin x. Cos inverse of cos. You get d by dx of 90 minus x. Derivative of constant 0, right? Derivative of x is 1. Answer is minus 1. This is a simple method to solve this problem. We'll do the next problem now. Now see this problem. There are differentiate x cube with respect to d power x square. It is like differentiate y with respect to x. If you say differentiate y with respect to x, we find dy by dx. Let us differentiate this with respect to this means I can write this one d by dx of x cube by d by dx of e power x square. So derivative of this by derivative of this. So derivative of x cube we know clearly 3x square. So derivative of e power x square into d by dx of x square, right? E by dx of x square you can write. E power x means e power x only. Since it is not x, derivative of that, I can write 3x square by e power x square into 2x. So I can cancel this one x, right? Your answer will be, I can write 3x by 2e power x square. That will be your answer. When they are asking differentiate x cube with respect to d power x square means derivative of this by derivative of this. 3x square by e power x square d by dx of x square. 3x square by e power x square 2x. Get cancelled. 3x by 2d power x square. Similarly, we have one more problem. 14th one. Differentiate sin square x with respect to e power cos x. We have one more problem like this. Differentiate sin square x with respect to e power cos x. Sin square x with respect to e power cos x. So when they are using the word with respect to of this, I get it again here. Differentiate sin square x with respect to e power cos x. d by dx of sin square x means I can write sin x whole square, right? By d by dx of e power cos x. So derivative of sin x whole square 2 into whole power 2 minus 1 d by dx. Why? Because like x power n. Derivative of x power n into x power n minus 1 d by dx of x. But in the place of x we have sin x by e power cos x. So derivative of e power x is e power x only. E power cos x. In the place of x we have cos x means d by dx of cos. I should write cos x. E power x means e power x only. Derivative of x will be 1. Since it is cos x, d by dx of cos x. I will get this one. 2 sin x. Derivative of sin x is cos x. But otherwise I can eliminate these two directly. I can eliminate those two also. E power cos x into sin x. Sorry, this is d by dx of sin x is cos x, right? D by dx of cos x is minus sin x. I can't eliminate that. Sorry, I thought both are same. I can't eliminate. D by dx of sin x is cos x. D by dx of cos x is minus sin x. Now I can sin x. Your answer is minus 2 cos x by e power cos x. That will be your answer. I will explain again. Differentiate sin square x with respect to e power cos x. Derivative of this by derivative of this. Derivative of sin square x 2 into sin x whole power 2 minus 1 d by dx of sin x by e power cos x into d by dx of cos x. 2 sin x into derivative of sin x is cos x. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Sin x get cancelled. This minus I can write here minus 2 cos x by e power cos x. This will be the required answer. I will explain the next problem now. Now see this problem. They are given y equals sin of log x, then find d square by dx square, second order derivative. So we know that derivative of sin x cos x. Now you can remember that this y is given. So first derivative dy by dx equals sin of, I can write cos of d by dx of, right? But the derivative of sin x cos x, since it is not x, write log x, log x. So you can write cos of log x. Derivative of log x is 1 by x. Now to find next derivative, second order derivative, you can use quotient rule or you can use product rule. But remember, this when you write the next derivative, d square y by dx square, first into d by dx of 1 by x, right, plus 1 by x into d by dx of cos of log x. Product rule I have written. Either you can use quotient or you can use product rule. Now cos of log x into derivative of 1 by x minus 1 by x square, 1 by x into derivative of cos x. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x. So I can write minus sin of into d by dx of. So I can replace log x, log x. Now you can see here minus 1 by x square cos of log x, minus 1 by x square cos of log x. You can check here. Derivative of log x is 1 by x. This is minus 1 by x. Sin of log x. Derivative of log x is 1 by x. So 1 by x, 1 by x, 1 by x square. So I can take it minus 1 by x square common. This will be cos of log x plus sin of log x. That will be our answer, right? Minus 1 by x square. I have taken common. Even if you use quotient rule, you get the same result. Now I will explain the next problem now. See, this is also one of the important problems. They are given y equal log of log x base 7, then find dy by dx. So in this we remember that dy by dx of log x base is 1 by x. d by dx of log x base a is 1 by x log a. You remember these two. Here the base is 7, means the place of a 7 is there. You can follow this. So you can see when I have taken the y is equal to given by dy by dx log of something 1 by. Like in the place of x we have log x. Compare with this. In the place of x we have log x, log x. I can write log 7 log into d by dx of log x. Keep in your mind, the place of x we have log x. So what the d by dx of x should be 1. That is the reason we have not written here. You can see here this one. I can write this one 1 by log x log 7. Derivative of log x is 1 by x. This will be your answer. 1 by x log 7 log x. I can write any order. I can write this one. 1 by x log 7 log x. That will be your answer. Derivative of log x is 1 by x. 1 by x log 7 log x. Simple problem. Easy to learn. When you are doing, better to write the formula here. Log x base 1 by x log a. Now we will do the next one. Now see in this problem, very simple problem. They are given cos inverse of 1 minus x square plus x square. Find dy by dx. But this is a formula we have. Y is equal, this will become 2 tan inverse x. Everything 2 tan inverse x, derivative dy by dx. 2 into 1 by 1 plus x square. 2 by 1 plus x square. Derivative of tan inverse x, 1 by 1 plus x square. 2 into this one you will get. Correct. With this over problem. Next you can come to this one. Sin inverse of 1 minus x square 1 plus x square. But here y is equal to, this is not 2 tan, here directly I can't write 2 tan inverse x, but we know that sin inverse x, you can see that sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. We know this formula, right? Pi by 2, we know that. According to that, I can write this one. Sin inverse means sin inverse of Then I can write pi by 2 minus cos inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square according to this formula. Why should I write like this? Because we know cos inverse of 1 minus x square 1 plus x square is 2 tan inverse 6. Now I can replace this. Pi by 2 minus 2 tan inverse x. Now I can find derivative dy by dx constant 0. My constant 0 minus 2 into derivative of tan inverse x 1 by 1 plus x square. So minus 2 by 1 plus x square, right? To know about that, correct? Minus 2 by 1 plus x square. This will be required answer. Is clear, right? Similarly, I will explain one more problem now. Now see this problem also. This is a simple problem. The concept is simple. Y equal to sin inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square. Here also again y is equal to, is everything equal to 2 tan inverse x. So derivative dy by dx 2 into 1 by 1 plus x square. So 2 by 1 plus x square. This is not any x square only. We can see this one same thing, but we know that sin inverse, I told you this one, sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. We know this formula, pi by 2. This one I can write y is equal to pi by 2 minus 5, because sin inverse of this 2x by 1 plus x should be equal to 2 tan inverse x. Due to that reason, this again means cos inverse x means pi by 2 minus sin inverse x. It will become sin inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square. Now dy by dx constant 0, third constant 0 minus, I will write here one more step. Then I can write this one, I can write one more step. Then I will do that. Pi by 2 minus, this will become 2 tan inverse x. 2 tan inverse. Now we will write the derivative. Dy by dx constant 0, 2 into 1 by 1 plus x square minus 2 by 1 plus x square. That will be our required answer. Now I will solve the next problem. See this problem. Differentiate root of e power root x greater than 0 with respect to x. If they are asking differentiate this. So dy by dx of root of e power root x. Remember derivative of root x 1 by 2 root x. Remember derivative of root x 1 by 2 root x. This is the main concept. Derivative of root of something. I can write this one 1 by 2 root of d by dx of, right? I can replace here e power root x, correct? But we know d by dx of e power x is e power x. D by dx of e power x is e power x. Right? Use the same concept now. 1 by 2 root of e power root x. The root of e power x and e power x. Since it is not x, d by dx of root x. Now I can write this one e power root x by 2 root of e power root x. Derivative of root x 1 by 2 root x. I can stop here. If you want, I can write this e power root x by 2 to 4 root of x into e power root x. I can write like this. X inside because root x e power root x, or you can leave it like this here also, no problem. Now we'll explain the next one now. Now see in this problem, given x equal to a cos theta, y equal to a sin theta, find dy by dx. These two are the parametric equations. Now you can find here dx by d theta, the root of cos theta minus sin theta. So this will be minus a sin theta dx by d theta. Y in terms of theta, dy by d theta. When I am talking dy by d theta, here the derivative of sin theta cos theta. But here when I have written dy by dx, so dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta by dx by d theta. Derivative of this by derivative of this. you will get a cos theta by minus a sin theta. It gives minus cot theta. Minus cot theta. Suppose they are given another one, 23, right? If I can find here x is equal to at square, y is equal to 2at, find dy by dx. We have similar one more problem like this, parametric equations. Derivative of this by derivative of this. You can check here, when x equal to at square, find derivative dx by dt. A into derivative of t square is 2t. I am doing with respect to t. Dx by dt, 2t, 2at. Now, y is equal to 2at. Then dy by dt. 2a derivative of 1, t is 1. I am doing with respect to t. 2a into 1, 2a. Right. We want dy by dx. So dy by dt by dx by dt. So dy by dt is 2a, right? 2a by 2at. So 2 to get cancelled, a answer is 1 by t. Correct, you will get 1 by t. 1 by t is the required answer. Now I will solve the next problem now. So in this problem, again x equal to 4t, y equal to 4 by t, find dy by dx. Parametric equations only. I can write x equal to 4t. So we can write dy dx by dt. 4 derivative of t is 1, it will be 4, right? Now y is equal to 4 by t. So dy by dt, 4 into derivative of 1 by x minus 1 by x square. Derivative of 1 by t minus 1 by t square minus 4 by t square. They are asking dy by dx. So dy by dx is dy by dt by dx by dt. So dy by this is minus 4 by t square by, we can write dx by dt is 4. 4 get cancelled, right? Answer is minus 1 by t square. Minus 1 by t square. Now coming to this, x equal to 2at square, y equal to at power 4. We can find here dx by dt. 2a derivative of t square 2t, right? You will get 4at. You take dy by dt. Now you write y value, then you find dy by dt. A into t power 4, 4t cube. 4at cube, right? Then I want dy by dx. Always dy by dt by dx by dt. So this one 4at cube by 4at. 4 get cancelled, right? T will get cancelled, the result will be t square, right? Dy by dx is equal to t square we will get. We'll solve the next problem now. Now see in this problem, dx by d theta, the derivative of cos theta minus sin theta, dy by d theta, correct, y equal to b cos theta, dy by d theta, b into derivative of cos theta minus sin theta. They are asking dy by dx means dy by d theta by dx by d theta, right? So you will get minus b sin theta by minus a sin theta. So you will get b by a, correct? Simple problem. Now coming to this, x equal to a secant theta, dx by d theta, a derivative of secant theta tan theta. Y is equal to b tan dy by d theta. So y equal to b tan theta, b derivative of tan theta, secant square theta. Now dy by dx, dy by d theta by dx by d theta. It is not necessary to write derivative of this by this, b secant square theta by, again at a secant theta tan theta I can write. Now secant will get cancelled. You will get b by a. And we can write secant theta is 1 by cos theta. I can write, I can simplify. If you want, I can simplify, or I can leave it this one. I can write I can write b by a. Secant theta is 1 by cos theta by tan theta sin theta by cos theta. Correct. Cos theta get cancelled. So this result will become b by a. 1 by sin theta means cosec theta. Cosec theta. I can simplify like this. Answer is b by a cosec theta. We have completed now almost 47 problems. Another 3 to 4 problems I will do in this. So because we are here, you should answer 3 2-marks questions. At least if you solve around 30 questions, definitely around 30 questions, you should solve 33 questions. If you solve, definitely you have more chances to answer 2-marks questions 3. I will do the next one now. Yeah, now see this next problem. X equal to sin t, y equal to cos 2t. Then find dy by dx. When you can see here, when I have taken dx by dt. So dx by dt, derivative of sin t, cos t. Right, similarly we can take derivative of this one, dy by dt. Derivative of cos minus sin of cos 2t minus sin of d by dt of, right? Derivative of cos x minus sin x, but it is not x, it is 2t. Write 2t and it 2t, right? This will become minus sin 2t, derivative of 2t is 2, with respect to t, it will be 2. So when I am finding dy by dx, so dy by dx equal to dy by dt, derivative of this by derivative of this, dx by dt. So dy by dt is, I can write this one, minus 2 sin 2t by, I can write cos t. I can stop here. Still, if you want to simplify, I can write minus 2 into sin 2t, 2 sin t cos t by cos t. I can write cos t get cancelled, minus 4 sin t, minus 4 sin t. Now another one, 29th. If y equal to x power x, if y equal to x power x, then find dy by dx. Then find dy by dx. This problem is different, right? They are asking find dy by dx. When they are asking this, check whenever the variable is in the power, definitely you should apply logarithm. When the variable is here, you should apply logarithm. This is x power x. Take y equal to x power x. Apply logarithm on both sides. Log y is equal to log x power x. Taking logarithm on both the sides. Now this will become, you can observe here, I can write here, log y equal to logarithm property. This x I can hold x log x. Now differentiating with respect to x, I can write differentiating with respect to x. When I am differentiating here log y, so derivative of log x 1 by x, I can write 1 by into d by dx of. So here what can I write? This is in place of x, y. This is y, right? Now you can check product rule, x into d by dx of log x plus log x into d by dx of x. Alright? Now you can check here, this is 1 by dy by dx. Here x into derivative of log x 1 by x plus log x into derivative of x is 1, right? Derivative of x is 1. I can write this one, x's get cancelled here, right? dy by dx equal to, so here I can write this y, I can consider this y into 1 plus log x. But this y you can replace, what is by x power x? So the answer is x power x into 1 plus log x. That will be your answer, right? So this is one of the problem. So this is parametric equations, this is a logarithmic differentiation. Now I am going to explain 4 number of problems In 3 marks questions, most of the time they may ask question from logarithmic differentiation. Now I will do the next problem now. Now see in this problem, they are given y equal to x power sin x, x greater than 0, find dy by dx. Now in this problem you can see when I have taken y equal to x power sin x, you can apply logarithm. So log y, log x power sin x. Whenever the variable x, if you see the power, you should apply logarithm. Logarithmic differentiation. Y equal to x power sin x, log x power sin x. Now differentiating with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x. Derivative of log y. Log x means 1 by x, so 1 by y. So derivative of y, dy by dx. Now here this one, before I can write here, before differentiating you better you write this stuff. This I can hold here, sin x log x. I will repeat this. They give y equal to x power sin x. You can take logarithm on both the sides. Then this I can hold here sin x log x. Now differentiating with respect to x. After writing this, differentiating with respect to x. Excuse me. Now 1 by y into dy by dx. The product rule. Sin x log x, use product rule. First into derivative of log x plus log x into derivative of sin x. Now you can see dy by dx. This y into sin x, the derivative of log x we know 1 by x. Log x into derivative of sin x is cos x. Right. Now I can write this dy by dx is equal to what is y? X power sin x into I can write sin x by x plus cos x log x. Everything product like this, cos x into log x, cos x into log x. But don't consider here, don't strike with this x. Don't do that mistake. X power sin x by x plus cos x log of cos x. This question they may ask for 2 marks or 3 marks. Fine, I will tell you next problem now. Now see this problem. They give differentiate sin x whole power x with respect to x. You can consider. Let y is equal to sin x whole power x. Again, if you look into this, variable is here. Then you can take logarithm on both sides. Taking logarithm on both sides, log y is equal to log of sin x whole power x, right? Use logarithm property. This x I can hold here. X log of sin x. This is log y. Now differentiating with respect to x. Derivative of log y. 1 by y. Derivative of y. Dy by dx. Product to x into derivative of log of something. 1 by something dy by dx of. Only log x means 1 by x cycle x. Since here it is not x, 1 by y, derivative of the same concept 1 by this. Here what can I write here? This is sin x plus log of sin x into dy by dx of x. I have taken product rule. First into derivative of second plus second derivative of first. Now this one dy by dx. This y into x by sin x. Into derivative of sin x is cos x plus log of sin x. Derivative of x is 1. Derivative of x is 1. Now I can replace y. Y I have taken. Y is sin x whole power x. Sin x whole power x I can write if you want. Cos by sin. This will be cot x. X cot x plus log of sin x. Now if you remember, you write this. Otherwise you can leave it like this. Sin x whole power x, x cot x plus log of sin x. That will be your answer. Now I will explain the next problem now. See this problem. Differentiate log x whole power cos x with respect to x. Again I can consider let y is equal to log x whole power cos x. Now again same here we should apply logarithmic differentiation only. Consider logarithm on both sides, taking log on both sides. Log y is equal to log of log x whole power cos x, right? Now the property of logarithm, this I can hold here. I can write cos x into log of log x. This is log y. They are asking differentiate with respect to x. Differentiating, I can write differentiating with respect to x. This is differentiating with respect to x. Then log y, 1 by y, derivative of y, dy by dx. Now product rule, cos x into derivative of log x, log of 1 by dy by dx of. Because we know the derivative of log x is 1 by x. When it is log of, so log of 1 by something, dy by dx of something. What is the something? I can write log x plus log of log x, derivative of this one, derivative of cos x, dy by dx of cos x. I will repeat, this is product rule. First in derivative of second plus second in derivative of first. Now you can write dy by dx y into this y, you can take that side. This is cos x by log x, derivative of log x 1 by x plus log of log x, derivative of cos x minus sin x. Now this y I can replace. What is 1? Log x whole power cos x. I can write 1 cos x by x log x, right, plus into minus I can write sin x into log of log x. This question they may ask either 2 or 3 marks, 2 marks or 3 marks. Now almost I completed all the most of the problems. Now we will do now. Now these problems they may ask for 2 or 3 marks. You can say they are given y is equal to, they are given. We take first derivative dy by dx. Take dy by dx. 5 derivative of cos x minus sin x. Derivative of sin x cos x. Right. Now if we take second derivative, d square y by dx square minus 5 into derivative of sin x cos x. Derivative of cos x minus sin x. You can check that if you take minus common, 5 cos x, you take minus common, you will get minus 3 sin x. You have taken minus common, right? This is nothing but y only, right? Minus y. So d square y by dx square, transfer this side, plus y equal to 0. This is a simple problem. They may ask for 2 or 3 marks, they may ask this. See, the differentiate 2 power sin x with respect to x. In this case, this is a problem simple. Before that, we should know d by dx of a power x. A power x into log a. Basically, will be the a power x into log a. So this is your formula, right? Now you can take, suppose you take y is equal to 2 power sin x. You can consider let y is equal to this. Then ask a derivative of this. So dy by dx. I can write in the form of e power x. So 2 power sin x. Correct. Like this can follow this log 2. Base e d by dx of sin x. Okay, we are following like this. Some people they may do logarithmic differentiation. No problem, you can do like this also. 2 power sin x. 2 power sin x into log 2 base e d by dx of sin x. You will get this one. I can write 2 power sin x log 2 base e. Derivative of sin x is cos x. Even if you do logarithmic differentiation, same thing you will get. No doubt in that, you will get the same thing. We use logarithmic differentiation also, it gives same thing. Correct. You will get like this only. So this is the required answer. Just you have taken 2 power sin x. You are following like this. You are using this. You will get the same thing. That will be enough. So if you want logarithm differentiation, or I can do like this. Suppose if we take y is equal to 2 power sin x. Apply logarithm. Log y is equal to log 2 power sin x. Correct? This is 2 to the power of sin x. This will become sin x into log 2. Base c will be there always. Now applying logarithm 1 by y into dy by dx. Here log 2 coefficient. So log 2 into derivative of sin x is cos x. Here product tool is not required. Product tool is not required. Log 2 derivative of sin x. Even if you are written product tool, the derivative of log 2 will be 0. Now you can see from this I can write dy by dx y log 2 of cos x, right. So what is y? 2 power sin x log 2 cos x. Like this you will get like same thing, log 2 base c cos x you will get. So that is the same thing, you will get the same thing. But this is the simple way, or if you want logarithm differentiation, you can follow this. The questions what I have discussed, you may get for 2 or 3 marks. Now with this I am going to complete this session. Next video I will upload for all 3 marks questions. Possibly 3 marks questions I will upload. Thank you. See you in the next video.